Okay, so this is another really random video, but I'm just going to install a water butt. It is a Ward's 210 litre. Off that pipe there, you can see we just basically dumped quite a bit of stuff here. This is an entrance we don't use. We've got another gate with better access to the other side. So I'm just going to place it here, and then I can use the water from this on the front garden. So this is where it's going to be placed. So in there we have the base, which I'll put together, some instructions, connections and stuff, everything you need. Like I said, obviously the water butt and the lid is just over there. So once you've got that all clipped in together on the base, you just turn it over and then put your water butt on there. Make sure it's nice and secure. Obviously when it's watering it'll be better, but that's absolutely fine. Right, so I've got it positioned where I want it now on the stand, next to the pipe. Just going to drill a hole in there and then one into there. Well, not drill a hole into there, but certainly drill one into there for the pipe to go into there. Okay, so I've been finishing this bit with a Stanley knife just to make the connection. It's not too far away, so that basically needs to go into there. As you can see, it's not too far, so just a little bit more, and then I'll be able to just put that in and secure that. It would be easy if you just had a drill bit, a plastic drill bit. However, I've not got one of those. I don't intend to buy one, so I'll just do it this way. So literally a minute later, I've got that in. I'm just going to secure it this side now, and then I'll be connecting the other bit. So here's the test time to see if it fills. Got the right levels. Oh yeah. It's good. Oh. So I've just connected my top piece now, so makes it all nice and tidy. And then just connecting that back up to the drain pipe. Right, you can see that is all secure now. Putting a couple of new screws in, because they were the other ones were getting a bit rusty. That's all connected up now, so I can just connect the water butts. I might just clean this area out first, to be fair, and then yeah, I'll connect it all up. Okay, now all that is straight and fixed. The ultimate test is to see if it collects water into there. So let me just go and get my step ladder, move a couple of bits about, and then just put some water down it. There you go, happy days.